all, welcome to Williams Residence Hall. My name is Jorel and I'll be giving you a tour today. Williams is a 5-story residence hall with co-ed floors, so there's women on one side, men on the other. While we're down here, I'm going to just show you our mailboxes really quickly. So we have a mailbox for each room where you and your roommate can key in and you'll be able to go get any kind of mail that comes here. This is also the office where you can come in and get other kinds of packages and get vacuums, games, or just sit here and talk to an RA if you'd like to have any questions or anything. Let me show you up over here. We have, in the main lobby, we have printing, and we also have vending machines, so if you want to come get a quick drink or any snacks. Like I said before, this is printing. If you want to go print anything, you just type it in on our website and then you'll be able to come down here and print it. Alright, so now since I've showed you the lobby, let's go take a look at the laundry rooms. Okay, so with the residence halls, there's a 3-key entrance. So the first key is to get into the residence hall, the second is to get onto each floor, and then the third key is to get into your individual room where your key only works for your room only. Okay, so let's go take a look at the laundry room. So each floor has a laundry room, it has a washer and a dryer, and then the way that you pay for laundry is through, with your quick cash, you just select the washer or the dryer that you want, and then you just tap it. Alright, now let's head upstairs to go check out my floor. This is the lounge area. Each story in Williams has a lounge area. As you can see, residents come and do homework and just hang out, play video games, do whatever. Let's go check out my friend Tracy's room.
Hey guys, come on in. So this is my room here in Williams Hall. So this is more of the study side of our room. So here we have 2 desk spaces that you can turn the light on and off so you can kind of study over here, get ready, everything like that. The desks come with the dorm, but you do bring your own chairs from home, which is great, so you can bring whatever kind of chair you're feeling. And then over here we have closets. We got 2 for each roommate. We put curtains over ours just to hide it a little bit, but they're very spacious. And then you also have drawers down here and more space up there for extra storage. There's also extra storage down here, and it's the dorm's kind of separated into study versus sleeping. So if you want to come on over here, this is where we sleep. The cool thing about Williams is that you can de-lock the beds if you choose to. We just chose to lock ours to maximize space and to provide opportunities to have a futon, an extra chair seating area. We also have a refrigerator and microwave over here that we brought from home, but you can rent them from the school for a certain price. And then we also have a TV stand and a TV that we also brought from home too, which is really nice to make the place more homey and watch Netflix whenever we have time. Alright guys, well I got some studying to do, so I will catch you later. Bye!